Dustin, ikaw na mag-video. Hello everyone, today we're going to open this
Magic color twist.
this, and so let's see what includes. Let's see.
Hi, I'm Dustin. Hey, what's your name?
This set includes one
My name is
manual
Reyes.
instruction.
Reyes
This
ka
set
rin.
includes one manual,
Ako rin.
two loom boards,
And an instruction manual.
3 packs of looms, and
And it
two
says
weight
here,
sticks.
you need to put a lot of lumban, different colors, anything you want.
So let's see.
And a zigzag, straight lines, or X in a straight line.
We have also got here some of these things.
And it's gonna lumbans.
Yeah. So this thing can make a lot of looms. So let's get one. Let's make one. May I borrow the loom board, please?
Wait, me. Ay, ako gagawa. Kunyari ako. Kunyari ko na
So she is making some looms. I'm gonna also glue. I'm gonna make one.
And I'm making blue, pink, and purple. That's one here.
I'm going to
This
make
is
some
Did when I was a kid.
tail.
And I was
So
just
this is
about
how to
make this.
First,
and
you're
then
going to
my sister
cross,
says we can make a video.
cross and not cross and cross. So you're putting it this like this.
And it
Put
says
it
in the
up in it.
magic color twist, you need to connect this and put any
And put
lumen
some
thing on it.
looms again.
You want
like
a
this.
zigzag straight lines and an X
And
one
you see
line
this
on
under it. Put up, under, over, and pull it. Pull it like this, and again, straight, under, over, under, over,
And open mo na ko.
and do it like that. So that's all for now. She's going to make her own.
Yeah, marunong. Okay.
Bye guys, that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.